Is there such a thing as having too many hobbies? Name a hobby and I'll probably try to get it and start doing it. It's just a thought I just thought about as I was driving. I'm like, you know what? Don't let anybody tell you that you have too many hobbies, because hobbies is what keeps people going. Like you need a life outside of your regular life, if that makes sense. Like we all probably have work, we all have to do our 9 to 5, but like I don't ever want my life to just be I work. I want to have a life outside of work that I have fun, like I have a good time, I enjoy. And when someone asks me, what do you do for like in life, like what do you do, I have things I can tell them what I do. Like I dance, I take ballet classes, jazz classes, salsa classes, and now I'm training to become a group fitness instructor. Like, isn't that crazy? And on top of that, y'all, I'm in school, and I'm doing YouTube. I want to have a life outside of work. So if you really can find time to be able to have hobbies outside of your regular life, please do that. I think it's September 7th, if I'm not mistaken. I was a day ahead. It's September 6th. I just did my body combat workout and I wanted to practice some ballet today, so I'm just doing a little bit of my like barre training, following the YouTuber Ballet Misfits. So I'm just gonna follow along her video and practice just some barre strength training today. And then I have ballet not next week but the following week. So this week is gonna be jazz class. And if you guys hear music in the background, I'm still in my gym and there's a class going on next door. I think it's Zumba. But yeah, so we're just gonna do that today, and it's quick, it's 30 minutes. So yeah, I chose to dress up a little bit today. I don't know if I tie this right. Is this supposed to be in the front? I don't know. But I try to be a little cute. And I still have my socks on with my ballet shoes because I feel kind of sweaty and I don't want to sweat my ballet shoes and it starts smelling. Let's get it. Such a hard time keeping my knees like straight when I'm in the first position. I don't think I'm supposed to lock it, but it feels like it locks. that she's given to beginners, and I just did it. It was hard, but I did it. So now I'm gonna practice on the other side. The other thing is, like, when you're doing the tendu and jetés, you have to really be like really focused on standing straight and keeping the other leg that's not moving aligned with the rest of your body, so you're not leaning to the opposite side every time you do the jeté. So that's one thing. It's really like a mind thing. You have to really be thinking about the butt cheek and the core. As long as you tuck that in, I'm noticing if I really fixate and like really contract my core and my glutes, especially on the opposite leg that's not working, it's a little bit easier for me to kick the other leg in a jeté, so I'm not leaning as I'm kicking, if that makes sense. So it's a lot. We're gonna try it again. Literally everything is the core. Like, I've noticed, not the core, but the core, like the core. As long as my core is really like engaged, like I'm really thinking about engaging it, it's gonna be all right. So I'm gonna try to do the rond de jambe on the other side now with my core engaged. Another thing I'm learning is I have to, when I go on my toes, I have to concentrate on really putting pressure on my second toe than on my first toe, my big toe, because that over time can prevent bunions from happening. I didn't know that. So I'm really have to think about that as I'm doing this. We don't want bunions. Control down. Control down. This is the third time. It's September 11th, 9/11, and I just wanted to come on here just for a brief moment to check in, because it's been a few days since I picked up my camera. And yeah, ignore the background. I'm in the process of like organizing my kitchen and taking my dishes out and all this stuff, and I still haven't ate breakfast yet, and it's almost 3 o'clock. No, it's 2 o'clock. It just turned 2. I've been going to my local gym pretty routinely, trying to go weekly, at least 4 to 5 days a week. And I'm not going to like work out in the gym, like the machines and stuff like that. I'm honestly going just for the fitness classes that my gym offers. And so I've been trying out a lot of their I've been trying out a lot of their fitness classes. and really into like the body combat class. If you know what body combat is, I didn't know until I started going to it, but it's pretty much like boxing, kickboxing without the punching bag or whatever you call it. So you're pretty much like just training and cardio, very cardio heavy workout for an hour, and you're just like, I think it's so badass, like such a very much baddie workout. For me personally, I feel like when I first went in that class, I was like, whoa, this is intense. But over time, it's been really great, and I just feel like an empowered woman going to this class. Like I feel so empowered, and it's a whole bunch of women in the class. I feel like a lot of fitness classes I've tried, it's always women. We had 2 guys actually in this class, but usually it's a whole bunch of women, and it's just such an empowering feeling. Like, so it's been one of my favorite classes so far. I had that this morning. It was a great workout. I think I burned over like 350 calories, almost 400 calories in an hour. And then after that, I went and I did my little mini barre practice. I've been trying to incorporate barre by myself with like YouTube videos. I do have my salsa class tonight, and that's a whole 2-hour long of dancing and just having fun. So I'm looking forward to that again tonight. But yeah, so it's been a very productive day. And it's only 2 o'clock. I'm gonna try to study. It's a little bit of a catch up, quick update. I didn't record my barre practice today. It was intense, but I'm gonna try to do at least 2 days a week of barre, including my other workouts and my classes that I go to. And I'm just trying to keep it together and get stronger. I did jazz yesterday, and that was awesome. I hope you guys are having a great week, and